New data shows more than a dozen tornadoes touched down across the state last week. And earlier today, Governor Landry toured storm-damaged areas in Louisiana. And in West Feliciana Parish, he gave an update on the disaster recovery efforts. And he says he plans to declare a state of emergency to bring in more money to help with recovery. And with more information on that, let's go to NBC Local 33's Anna Caneo.
Today, Governor Jeff Landry makes a stop at West Feliciana after the parish was hit by a confirmed F1 tornado.
What you saw was that the tornadoes just kind of hopped around different areas, and the one thing I'd say is that we are absolutely lucky that we had no loss of life.
Says Governor Jeff Landry after flying over St. Francisville Monday morning. The governor giving us an update on the cleanup efforts underway in the parish. Sheriff of West Feliciana Parish, Brian Spillman, also joining in.
Most of the damage we saw was to the power lines and just, trees in the yards.
As far as homes, the 30 homes that we think were impacted, most of them had trees on them.
The governor also assuring the public resources are on the way, specifically for the most impacted parts of the state.
We've got 3 declarations that should be on my desk by the time I get back to Baton Rouge for the 3 parishes. I think St. Landry, West Feliciana, and St. Tammany are those. And that allows the National Weather Service and GOSEP to actually accurately see where the weather was the worst. And then that gives us, the state, an opportunity to concentrate on those parishes that need it the most.
Governor Landry also says the parish will create an after-action review plan by the end of this week. The hope to be prepared for the next storm.
We'll have a great indication from feedback from local officials as to how this new process is working, and we'll make those adjustments because we know come June 1 we'll have hurricane season amongst us, and I'm praying real hard that we don't have any.
Reporting in St. Francisville, I'm Anna Caneo, NBC Local 33 News.